Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marcel Berjidana Putra, student ID 2520031. And here I want to give some about my activities which can help me to increase my teaching skill. Okay. The first the first is I'm was join community about learning English like this and this. Alright. In that community, there are many information about how to teaching English, some vocabularies, and more anything about English. I think in that community I feel a lot of benefit if you join that community. Okay. The second, I was join KKL activity before. In that KKL, I will I was learn about high order thinking skills and about some schools, some about junior high school in Bandung. The first place is Siameo. Siameo is place about to learn English or Lang- language English. In Siameo, I learn about HOTS and high order thinking skills or HOTS. I learn about how to critical thinking and how to teaching English in gen 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 alpha. Yes. In right now, this generation name is alpha. Generation alpha is more modern before the generation before, like generation Z or anything. Xiaomio, I know about how to manage class and how to teaching some lecture in in interest way. Yeah, how to manage class to the student more interesting about the information. I teach that, and I learn, and how to uh, create thinking more creative in anything, because in high ordering skill we should innovative, creative, problem solving, and socialist. And I think it's that. And the next is I learn English or teaching English, how to teaching English or how to increase my teaching English skills in YouTube. Eh, In YouTube, I learn about tenses. Yeah, I think college right now should know about tenses in their head. Yeah, I think is di college right now should menguasai di dalam tenses tersebut. Apa saja tensesnya? Seperti past tense, simple tense, and anything like that. And in YouTube, I learn in YouTube and video films.
こっちにおいで。最後に少し話をしよう。俺はもうすぐに死ぬ。かまど少年、井の頭少年、黄色い少年、俺は信じる。君たちを信じる。母上。
立派にできましたよ。
I increase my listening to hear about dialogue in English, and also I will I want to increase more my listening in film with English subtitle. Yeah. Such as anime. Anime is Japanese cartoon which use Japanese language in the character. But I watch anime in English subtitle. I think it will increase my translate skill. Yeah. Kan dari bahasa Jepang terus subtitlenya bahasa Inggris. Nah, I think it will increase my reading speed. Yeah, because kan tadi bahasanya Jepang, terus subtitlenya Inggris. Berarti saya mendengarnya bahasa Jepang, melihatnya bahasa Inggris. Nah, berarti saya seperti, oh ini tuh bahasa Jepangnya, bahasa Inggrisnya ini. Lalu saya terjemahin ke bahasa Indonesia agar saya memahaminya. And I think it effective to increase my reading skill. Yeah. Last is I was teaching English in young learner. Iya. Tepatnya tuh anak SD, elementary school. But I don't have evidence because it my pengalaman saya aja. Cuman saya nggak punya buktinya. Tapi ya saya punya pengalamannya. Saya pernah ngajarin bahasa Inggris ke anak kecil, ke adik saya, ke tetangga-tetangga saya yang anak kecil tuh dia meminta ajarin saya. meminta ajarin tentang bahasa Inggris. Ada yang tidak paham minta ajarin seperti itu. Cuman saya nggak ada buktinya, saya tidak foto atau apapun, tapi masih ingat di kepala saya, di ingatan saya. And I think it's useful to my future, because kan nanti saya mau PPL, dan nanti di PPL itu kan saya mengajar, entah itu anak SMP atau SMA. Nah itu kepakai sekali pengalaman saya mengajar anak kecil tadi. Ya mungkin nggak banyak sih anak kecilnya, cuman itu bagus sih menurut saya. Just this for. Thank you very much. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.